Next question, if we touch raw meat, do we need to wash our hands before learning Torah? Are we allowed to listen to Torah Shiurim when cutting raw meat in the kitchen?
So that's a very good question. I'm going to explain why is it a good question, because it says that some dead animals they transmit impurity tuma through the carrying or touching. So meaning what does it mean carrying? So somebody put in a bag for you, like a shopping bag or some double shopping. For sure, you're not touching. You carry that. You get spiritual impurity, right? But it's only about animals, like wild animals, for sure. I'm not talking about sherets. Sherets is one of the seven animals, or eight, I don't remember, like that's a different story. It's wild animals, like non-kosher animals, non-kosher animals, and kosher animals that died by themselves or what Treifa or Nevila. So that's the exception. But if it's kosher meat, it does not transmit the impurity. So you're not. So meaning what? You're not obligated to wash your hands. If you want, if it's like I don't know, like fatty or something, you feel that you want to wash it for hygiene purposes. Yes, you can, but you're not obligated because of that. So, for example, you just came from the restroom, you use facilities, and then you cut meat, for example. So, meaning like all happened in 15 minutes, right? So you did not touch body that parts that we usually close. You're not obligated. So your hands are pure. You just came from the restroom. You washed the hands of the restroom. No problem. Not obligated.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.